Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by putting devices on the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. This is essential. Open the app you'll cast from because not all apps behave the same. Tap the cast icon, usually a rectangle with waves in the app. If prompted, choose your Chromecast or TV name. Once connected, the iPhone acts as a remote. Make sure phone stays on and the app stays open. Closing it can stop playback. If pairing asks, accept prompts on both devices. Once the basic connection is live, you can cast different content types. For browser pages, open Chrome and use the cast option in the share or menu to send a tab. This streams the page directly. For full device mirror, swipe into Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and select your device. This duplicates the display and audio. If audio lags, try switching playback quality in the app. Remember, streaming and mirroring use more bandwidth, so network quality affects smoothness. To end casting, tap the cast icon in the app and select Stop Casting or exit Screen Mirroring from Control Center. That cleanly releases the device. If connection fails, reboot the router and toggle Wi-Fi on the iPhone. This often clears discovery problems. Make sure apps, iOS, and the Chromecast/TV firmware are up to date because mismatched versions can block casting. One troubleshooting tip: if video stutters, lower app streaming quality or move router closer to the TV to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.